Hello, in this video I will show you how to adjust Logitech G413 TKL SE for more comfortable writing. Okay, so let's begin. So, for example, for people who like to have their keyboard a little bit higher, because for some people it's more comfortable to write, this keyboard has inbuilt legs. Thanks to it we can adjust the height of our keyboard. We have two positions. In here it's locked, and in here it's unlocked. That's the maximum height. Those legs lock in that position, and now thanks to that our keyboard is a little bit higher. So thanks to that, for some people it might be more comfortable to write. Also, unfortunately, we doesn't have inbuilt or attached in the box a wrist holder, but we can always buy some for not that much money. Some piece of material. In most cases, it's rubber. For me, it's the most comfortable way to hold my wrists, and then I can comfortably type. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.